Guys, do you know what I get DM'd the most? Dina, you are a girl, what do you know about trading? Your strategies are just luck. You know what I answer? Nothing. I just show them my spreadsheet, the one where every single day is green, and they go quiet. You know, there is this stereotype. Girls can't trade. We're too emotional, too sensitive, we will cry after our first loss and blow our account. But here the funny thing, those so-called weaknesses are actually our strength. We don't jump into every trade, we know how to read and we know how to listen. But that's not what today is about. Today is about RSI, that indicator that's in every single terminal, that everyone uses, and that most people use like a crystal ball. I used to be just like that. Seriously, I looked at RSI like it was an oracle. 30 I buy, 70 I sell. And I wondered why the market don't like girls. And then I realized one thing, the most important thing. RSI is not a magic wand. It's like a spy sitting inside the market, whispering in your ear, hey, something off here, and here this is the moment. Most traders don't know how to listen to it. They look at the numbers and run. And I learned to hear the tone. How? That's a long story. That's why in my Telegram channel I simplified everything for you. Everything you need for trading is there. And most importantly, you can message me personally. Link is in the description. Go there as soon as this video ends. Don't put it off. And now guys, let's trade. So guys, let's start our trading session today. And today we will trade on RSI trading format. This is one of the most fundamental universal trade formats. And I remind you, we trade on 1 minute expiration. You can put any sum, I will bet $100. So generally talk about RSI, what is that? And I will explain how it works. To open the chart up, we are waiting when the RSI line will go into the oversold zone, below 37, and will come out of it. So respectively, when we open the chart down, we need that RSI go to the overbought zone and leave it. This happens in 95% of cases. The deal will go into plus when there is no such thing as we see now. We don't have body crossing right away here. We will already analyze the graphic and watch the campaign where the trend will go. So let's open a currency pair, let's say this one. What do we see now? The upward trend right away here, slight kickback, trend also keep growing. RSI shows us about this. So this means that we will go into a deal, we will go up. We see this pattern, 3 large candles with minimal shadow. I remind you that the shadow is this one here is a tail by candle, which can be both top and in bottom. What we see now on the other side, the other side is closer to the middle of the zone, but closer to the overbought zone. You can see it here, overbought zone is on top. Once again, I will repeat. Also, many guys ask how to make such candles. I trade on 5-second candle timer. It's meant for more convenience to see more clear RSI. Well, not only RSI, different indicators. In this case, RSI. So let's look at the deal. We see a small kickback. We see how the amount rolled back, but that didn't stop us from taking the profit. $92, guys, we make. So let's continue. So guys, let's go to the point. This video is just the tip of the iceberg. The good stuff is in Telegram. That's where I show real traders. That's where I post screenshots before I enter. That's where we break down your mistakes together. And no, I don't sell courses, I don't push signals, I just share what works for me. Want to watch from the sidelines? Your choice. But if you want to actually learn, link in the comments and description. Come to join. You won't regret it, I promise you. So now let's keep going. We continue our trade in RSI format. Right now we will open currency pair. We see how the market shows a downward trend. RSI is all the time in oversold zone. Most of the time, more precisely closer to the oversold zone. There are small pulses up, but this is not indicator for us. We will wait for the candle tops opening a deal down, because I understand that the market will continue to move. If you see it here, closer and closer to oversold zone, it will move into the hallway from 50 to 30. 20 seconds already passed from opening the deal. The graphic keeps falling. Well, now we have the whole trend now downward. Downward, it means where bears are now, that bears are now the owners and the market bears, or well, you can also say sellers. You can say how you want. I used to call it bears. Okay, it left 10 seconds to close the deal, and we will already fix our $92. Yes, we made $92, guys. Let's move on. So guys, let's move on third deal. We will open a currency pair. So let's see here. Okay, here we see also a downward trend. We also see RSI close to the oversold zone, so we will continue punching the trend. We will open the sell. Okay, we see Hammer is a very insecure candle right over here, and breakdown can happen in any moment and the graphic would go up, but this won't happen to us, as RSI also say us about this. Therefore, we will wait 30 seconds, we will observe how the graphic will behave, and we will already take the profit. And now we see how it will be slowly appear trial. Actually, this will happen, but it won't be strong enough to interrupt our deal, and we won't lose our money. So yes, guys, picking up our $92, and we're getting ready to open the last deal in RSI format. Let's open a deal. Also, we see here downward. Today the whole market, which we have is dominated by bears. We see a downward trend. So we also see RSI without oversold. Now let's observe these 2-3 candles, how they will act, and they will show themselves, and depending on those candles, we will open a deal. We see an insecure candle. Graphic will climb up. This candle showed us about it also. This candle couldn't break the trend down. And yes, certainly there is a slight kickback. There is a kickback, but this is not an indicator for us. We still have 35 seconds left to take the profit. Actually, this is what happening here. We see two confident candles without shadows. It certainly benefits us because we need to lock in profit. Okay. 10 seconds left. Before closing our deal positively, we can see the tops already starting to form here. Here, 1, 2, and yes, guys, we take our profit in $92. You know, there is an old truth. The market doesn't care if you are a man or woman. It doesn't care how old you are, what you look like, or what you believe. It only cares about one thing: whether you have a system or not. So yes, I'm a girl and I trade better than a lot of men. Not because I'm smarter, but because I stopped trying to prove myself. I just took action and made it happen. And I didn't give you a ready-made answer today, as you already saw, because ready-made answers are for people who don't want to think. And I want you to think. I gave you a direction. I showed you where to dig. And the shovel, the flashlight, and the treasure map, you will find them in my Telegram channel. I don't promise you make a million in 1 hour. I just will share my traits, my mistakes, my wins, and feedback for everyone who reaches out. I'm not a guru, I'm just a girl who stopped listening to the people who said you can't do it. And now I'm teaching you. The link is in the description. Don't lose it. Hit like if you're tired of stereotypes. To subscribe so you don't lose me. Remind you again. Trading isn't about gender, it's about your brain. Turn it on and you will make it happen.